Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato wedges. Before we get started, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. To make potato wedges, the first thing you need is obviously potatoes. So head over to your local grocery store and grab a couple of large potatoes. While you're there, if you have smaller potatoes, you can cut them into quarters. Then place the potatoes in a bowl. You don't want to cut them too big, because then they won't cook evenly. Try to keep each wedge about 2 inches wide by 1 inch thick. Once you finish cutting all of your wedges, remove them from the bowl and place them on a plate. Grab a bag of baby Bella mushrooms if you want to add some protein and fiber to your meal. Also grab some olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and any other seasonings that you might want to add to your potato wedges. Just slice up your mushrooms and throw them in with the potato wedges. Then dip your wedges in the sauce and enjoy. If you did, please leave a like and comment down below. I'll see you next time. You can make sweet potato wedges by just using sweet potatoes instead of regular potatoes. You can also make your wedges healthier by using an olive oil spray, instead of actually putting the oil in a bowl and then tossing the wedges around in it. If you're not a fan of mushrooms, you can throw other vegetables in with the wedges like onions, bell peppers, or broccoli. And if you want to make your wedges even more delicious, you can make a dipping sauce to go along with them. Once you get home, wash your potatoes really well. Then cut each potato in half lengthwise. Make sure to toss them around so they're all coated in olive oil. Then start adding some salt and pepper to taste. You can add other seasonings at this point too, like paprika or garlic powder. Then flip each wedge and bake for another 15 minutes. If your wedges are starting to brown but aren't tender yet, you can put them under the broiler for 2 to 3 minutes. Just watch them closely so they don't burn. Next, start cutting your potatoes into wedges. If you're adding mushrooms to your potato wedges, now is the time to do it. Next, start drizzling some olive oil over the wedges. Now we're ready to put our wedges in the oven. Set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place the wedges on the baking sheet in a single layer. If you have a lot of wedges, you may need to use 2 baking sheets. Bake the wedges for 15 minutes. When the wedges are done, you can serve them up and enjoy. There are so many different ways that you can make potato wedges. For the dipping sauce, just mix together mayonnaise, sour cream, and your favorite seasonings. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching.